If your Windows computer is stuck on checking for updates, please don't panic. It usually happens because Windows updates get stuck while using old or corrupted temporary updates files. In this video, I will show you safe and effective steps to fix it properly. So let's get started. First, force shut down your computer, then turn it back on normally. This helps clear any temporary glitches before we begin. Now go to Windows Search. Type CMD. Now click on Run as Administrator. First, we will stop the Windows Update service so that Windows is not using update files while we fix them. So type net space stop space WUAUACRV and then press enter. This command stops the Windows Update service, which is responsible for downloading and installing updates. Next type net space stop space BITS and then hit enter. This service helps download updates in the background and stopping it prevents download conflicts. Then type net space stop space script svc. After that press enter. This service handles update security files which can sometimes become corrupted. Next type net space stop space msi server and then hit enter. This service is used to install updates and programs, so stopping it helps avoid update related issues. Now we will rename the Windows Update download folder to clear old update data. Type ren space c colon /windows /software distribution space software distribution.old and then hit enter. This command renames the update cache folder, forcing Windows to create a fresh one. Next, we will rename the another important update related folder. So type ren space c colon /windows /system32 /catroot2 space catroot2.old and then hit enter. This folder stores update verification files and renaming it helps fix update errors. If you see access is denied, don't worry and continue with the next commands. Now we will start all the services again. So type net space start space WUAUACRV. This restarts the Windows Update service. Then type net space start space bits. This allows Windows to download updates normally again. After that, type net space start space script svc. This restores update security and verification functions. Next type net space start space msi server. This allows Windows to install updates properly. Now we will check if there is any system corruption. So in command prompt type dism space / online space / cleanup -image space / check health and then press enter. This command checks whether any corruption is detected in Windows system files. Next, we will perform a deeper system scan. Type dism space / online space / cleanup -image space / scan health. This scans the system more thoroughly for corrupted files. Finally, we will repair any detected system issues. So type dism space / online space / cleanup -image space / restore health and then press enter. This command repairs corrupted Windows files using official system sources. Please be patient during this process as it may take some time. Once you see the message, the operation completed successfully, go back to Windows Update and click on Check for Updates. In most cases, your checking for update stuck problem will be completely fixed. So I hope this guide was helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and fixes. Your support truly motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.